High protein, creamy butter chicken. This is one of my favorite recipes and it's so easy to make. Slice your chicken into cubes, add fresh garlic, paprika, turmeric, garam masala, salt and pepper, Greek yogurt, and squeeze of lemon juice. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, add some light butter to a pan, add sliced onion with the same seasoning used earlier. Mix well before adding a handful of cashew nuts, chopped tomatoes, and Greek yogurt. Mix till well combined, then transfer to a blender cup, blend for a few minutes till smooth and creamy just like this. Next, cook your chicken on a high heat for 4 minutes, then lower the heat and add the sauce. Give it a good mix, then let it simmer for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander, and that's it. You're ready to enjoy.